Srivastava joining us, advocate of the Supreme Court. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us this morning. Would you call this an unprecedented situation? How is the court going to handle this unusual situation?
Yes, this is very unfortunate, the kind of allegations which have been leveled. Uh, the Supreme Court has already taken suo moto hearing of the matter, and I'm sure the court will see that the integrity and the conduct of the courts are to be maintained. And with those lines, it will see that the judges are supposed to be impartial and they should be, not favoring any of the litigants in any of the cases. And this is what was the basis of the judicial system, which is established, and also the code of conduct, which has been laid down even by the Constitution and by the Supreme Court on different occasions. So I'm sure the Supreme Court will consider the priority to maintain the trust of the people in the judicial system has to be maintained. And for that, whatever best required to be done, I think the Supreme Court will consider the same accordingly. And here in this case, we have seen the serious kind of allegations. Although there is a doctrine of merger of the orders, but even after that, the Supreme Court will consider as to in what circumstances the stay was granted by the division bench, whether that order is sustainable as per the law, or it requires to be further, set aside by the Supreme Court. So Supreme Court will consider all these aspects. As judicial system is something which the people blindly trust, and they feel that they have the faith in the judicial system, and that has to be maintained, and that has to be continued in the hearts of the people of this country, and that should be the priority I think the Supreme Court will consider today.